Trust and believe me when I tell you that Fortress has been a true blessing for me and my family. I have tried just about every single marketing opportunity out there with little to no success for hundreds upon hundreds of dollars. It seems like it's such a waste of time. But when I saw this $10 investment, this small $10 investment for Fortress, and the simplicity of it, I decided right then and there, what could I lose if Fortress isn't what it claims to be? Just $10 a month, that's all it takes. $10.
Hi, my name is John Bowden. I want to tell you about Fortress Social Referral Network. Although it sounded too good to be true, I decided to give it a try. I have a large social network, so I simply purchased the $40 video and I just sent it to all of my friends. The results have been amazing, and the modest $10 investment is insane considering how fast your network can grow and the potential income that you can make. I encourage you to find out for yourself. What do you have to lose? Just purchase the customized video and hit send.
Hi, I'm Tiara. I decided to join Fortress after trying the Hydro One sports drinks. The Hydro One products are very unique health drinks that target and support a healthy heart, healthy joints, and even helping to support the management of diabetes and obesity. I'm not aware of any other products that offer these exceptional benefits or that taste as good. Also all natural and some with zero sugar. Additionally, after seeing the Fortress Social Referral Network business opportunity, I joined immediately. I have a huge social network of hundreds of contacts and friends that would love learning about Fortress and its specialty drinks. After sharing with just 3 people, I became eligible for compensation. It was just too good and too easy to pass up.
Hi, I'm Deacon George Gibson. I'm here to tell you guys about a company called Fortress. And for $10 a month, this company will change your whole entire life.
What if I told you that for only $10 a month, you could be writing your own lottery ticket? Well, with Fortress Network, you can. Imagine, for the price of a Subway sandwich, you could be leaving a legacy of financial strength behind for you and your family. Think about the power of what I have just told you. Look to the person who introduced the Fortress Network opportunity. Take action today, because your fortune awaits you.